Hello guys, welcome back to another review video. In this video we'll review Oxygen OS 11.0.2.2 which is the stable Android 11 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Yesterday morning we reviewed Oxygen OS 10.3.7 for OnePlus 7 Pro. If you guys haven't checked out that video, you can find that video in the I button. And also if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Along with that, press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. OnePlus have rolled out around 3 to 4 updates based on stable Android 11 and 4 beta updates, but still we have few bugs available on Oxygen OS 11. And this latest stable update is exactly the same as Oxygen OS Open Beta 4 with similar bugs. One of the major bugs what is available on stable Android 11 of Oxygen OS is related to YouTube. If you're watching any video in the landscape mode, you cannot turn that video in the portrait mode by tapping this icon, as you can see here. Once I tap that icon, the screen doesn't turn into portrait mode, but right now we have a fix for it. You can turn on auto rotation, and after that if you are watching the video in landscape mode, you can tap on this icon. The video will turn into portrait mode. So it's a major bug with almost all the media players like MX Player and other applications too, which is still not being fixed by OnePlus. And still lots of people are reporting about apps not downloading. I also informed you guys in the previous update that this issue has been fixed, and now we don't face any kind of issues in downloading large files and updating apps using Play Store. And if you guys are still facing, I would recommend you guys to do a factory reset. Just take the backup, boot your device into recovery and perform a factory reset. That should fix this issue. Alternatively, you can also try to clear data and caches of Google Play Store. And another bug what I have noticed on this latest stable version of Oxygen OS is related to Samsung Watch. I'm not able to pair my Samsung Watch on my OnePlus 8. It doesn't bypass this screen. But I don't have issues pairing my watch with other OnePlus devices running Android 10 or my iPhone device. And then we have next bug which is related to messaging app, where you cannot complete the setup process of new AI powered OnePlus messages. And messaging app stuck at this verification process. So it's again a bug, and this bug is also available on OnePlus 7 series with the latest version of Oxygen OS, which is 10.3.7. And people are also reporting issues related to fingerprint unlock, like they still get the flashback issues. But on my device I haven't found any kind of issues related to flashback. Fingerprint unlocks works great. So as I said, once perform a factory reset after taking a backup of your device. That should fix all the issues available on Oxygen OS 11. And you guys let me know in the comment section below if you are able to use the UPI services. Most of our users are facing issues in using payment applications like SBI. I personally don't have SBI account, but I've been using my HDFC application. I don't find any kind of issues with that. And another bug which is available on Oxygen OS 11 stable update for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro is related to this status bar. So in most of the cases when you are watching any video and when we try to swipe down status bar, you only get to see the notifications. We don't get access to quick setting panels or the status bar. So this is again a bug which needs to be fixed by OnePlus. And this doesn't happen all the time. Only in some rare cases I've seen this issue, so I've taken a screenshot of that. And one of our users also reported that stereo speakers are not working, but on my device I don't find any kind of issues related to stereo speakers. How many of you guys are facing issues related to stereo speaker? Let me know in the comment section below. After this update, auto brightness has been optimized well, which had issues on the previous update of stable channel. So these were the few bugs which I have noticed on the latest stable version of Oxygen OS, which is 11.0.2. Now let's move on to the camera part. So nothing new have been added with this latest camera. Current version of this camera is version 5.6.46. Camera performance doesn't have major improvements over the previous update. Photos taken in wide angle have better details with more colors. When you switch to 1x zoom, pictures are slightly overexposed. With 2x zoom, pictures are too bad. Photos clicked are not sharp. In this particular photo shot with 2x zoom, you can see the sky is completely overexposed. And night mode seems to be doing a decent job, but these pictures were taken with tripod mode and the results were good enough. With portrait mode, back camera does a better job in terms of edge detection and depth effect. But when you click pictures with front camera in portrait mode, device still have issues with edge detection, which you can see in this picture shot with front camera. And the same issue was available on Beta 4. Come on OnePlus, do fix bugs on beta updates before releasing the same to general audience as stable version. I'm personally not happy with the camera performance on stable Oxygen OS 11. What are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the battery backup on this stable update, and also you guys tell me what screen on time you are getting on your OnePlus 8 series after this update. Here we have the results of battery backup. With first cycle I got 6 hours and 54 minutes, second cycle 8 hours and 6 minutes, and both these cycles are without gaming. This screen on time is with my normal usage. Third cycle we got 4 hours and 45 minutes. Fourth cycle we got 4 hours and 47 minutes. And in third and fourth cycle, I did gaming on an average of 1 to 1.5 hours. For me, I have noticed good battery backup on the stable Oxygen OS 11.0.2.2 on my OnePlus 8. Also, improvements are to be seen for the background battery management. Here we have the standby battery drain. On day 1, only 4% of battery drain was noticed, and on day 2, 5% of battery drain was noticed, and which is a decent one. I was using my device with mobile data along with 90Hz refresh rate. So overall slight improvements to be seen in the battery segment. Moving on to the last part, which is performance. When it comes to performance, RAM usage is pretty high on this latest update, where you can see RAM usage of past 3 hours is around 6 GB out of 12 GB. On the previous update, it was around 5 GB. If you guys haven't checked out my previous review video, you can find it in the description below. So slightly higher RAM usage with this latest update, even after performing a factory reset. Gaming is pretty smooth, we don't see any kind of lags while playing PUBG Mobile, and device is able to continuously deliver 90 FPS. But the only problem here is device heats up faster than usual. If I do gaming around 10 to 15 minutes, the device temperature reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius. If you play games like PUBG with higher graphics settings, you will have to deal with the heating issues right now. We still have to wait for more polished Android 11 and not sure when will that happen. Still touch issues are present on this latest stable version of Oxygen OS while gaming. And if you are one of them who haven't received the update yet, then avoid updating your device to this current version of Oxygen OS, which is 11.0.2.2 whenever you receive that. Because this version have few major bugs. Wait for the next update and I'll keep you guys posted whenever it's available. So guys, this was a complete review of stable version of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below what all bugs you have been facing. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.